Hello team, today I want to teach you on how to install or save your Jforce app in your phone or in your computer. So I'll go to the website, then click on start. After clicking on start, I'll have to type in my email. There you go. I'm typing my email. There is my password. Please don't see my password. I'm trying to hide it. Please. Okay. I'm logging in now. So this is what it will show on my screen after logging in. It will ask me if I want to add this to home screen. This is where you get your Jforce app. So kindly, if you have logged in your website, kindly log out, then start a fresh login, then click on yes to add the Jforce app in your apps or in your home screen. So let me click on mine, yes. Then I'll click on, it will ask me, do you want to install this app? So I'll click on install, and the Jforce app will be installed in my phone. And if I want quick access, I'll just click on the app, and that is it. Instead of going to the website and all that hassle, make it very simple by installing the Jforce app, and everything will be alright. You'll work easily. Happy selling. Stay safe.